In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Robinhood using your PC. Whether you're hoping to reduce eye strain during those late night trading sessions, or you simply prefer the sleek look of a darker interface. Turning on dark mode is a quick and easy way to personalize your Robinhood experience. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into Robinhood on your computer. Open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and head over to robinhood.com. Once you've reached their homepage, enter your credentials to sign in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might need to complete that extra step, so be sure you have your phone handy, just in case. Logging in ensures you're securely accessing your personal account settings. Now that you're on your Robinhood dashboard, take a glance over to the very top right corner of the screen. Up there, you'll spot the account icon. This might look like a little silhouette of a person or your profile image, depending on your setup. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, look for the Settings option and give that a click. You'll be taken to the main settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Robinhood account. Once you're on the settings page, look for a section labeled App Appearance. This section is where you can adjust how your Robinhood platform looks and feels, making it more tailored to your preferences. Click on App Appearance to reveal the available themes. Here's where you'll find the key option we're after, the Theme drop-down menu. By default, Robinhood might be in light mode, which is characterized by a bright background and darker text. To switch things up, click on the Theme drop-down, and from the list that appears, select the option labeled Dark. As soon as you choose this, the interface will apply a new color scheme, transforming your background to a deeper shade and softening the overall appearance. This not only gives your trading dashboard a fresh look, but it can also help reduce glare, making it more comfortable on your eyes during extended use. And that's it. Your Robinhood is now in dark mode. If at any time you want to switch back to light mode, just repeat these steps and select Light from the drop-down menu. Remember, customizing your app's appearance is all about making your trading experience as enjoyable and convenient as possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on making the most of your trading platforms.